Welcome to the channel. Today, I will guide you through installing Android Studio on Windows 10 so you can start developing Android applications efficiently. In this video, I will show you all the necessary steps from downloading the installer to creating your first Android project, making it easy even for beginners to follow along. First, open the Android Studio official website using the link provided in the description. Next, click on the Download button for Android Studio Narwhal, then check the box to agree with the terms and conditions. Click on Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Then, double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Make sure to check the box for Android Virtual Device, then click Next. You can choose the installation location by clicking Browse, then click Next again. After that, click Install and wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once the installation is done, click Next and then Finish. When Android Studio opens, you will see options to send usage statistics to Google. You can choose either option and then click Next. Select the standard installation type and click Next. Wait a few seconds while additional components are downloaded, then click Finish. Finally, create a new project by selecting Empty Activity. Click Next, name your project, and then click Finish. Your project will now open, and you are ready to start building Android applications. In conclusion, installing Android Studio on Windows 10 is straightforward if you follow the right steps. You now have a fully functional development environment ready for your first Android app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.